Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 202 printer on your Windows device, so the OfficeJet 202 printer. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 202 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 202 mobile printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the installation software and full/basic driver support. And you want to select the mobile print and scan driver here, HP OfficeJet 200. Select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it or extract it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen directions here of getting your printer set up and configured. And then just select next, and then continue on with the instructions as you see on your screen and as you see fit for your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.